Hi, it's Kerry. Come and join me on my snake hunt. Lots of interesting snakes today. Snakes are elongated, legless, carnivorous reptiles of the suborder serpents. They are covered in overlapping scales. The Sidewinder rattlesnake. It's a species of venomous pit viper. It uses a sidewinding motion to move across the sand. Coral snakes are a venomous snake that live in North America. They are members of the Cobra family. They have a pair of small hollow fangs to deliver their venom. Boa Constrictor. Can you tell me how many anacondas in today's video? Is it 2 or 3? The eastern Diamondback rattlesnake is a species of venomous pit viper in the family Viperidae. The species is endemic to the southeastern United States. Snakes are able to swallow prey much larger than their heads with their highly mobile jaws. Most species are non-venomous, and those that have venom use it primarily to kill and subdue prey rather than for self-defense. Some snakes' venom is so strong it can cause painful injury or death to humans. Non-venomous snakes either swallow prey alive or kill it by constriction. This means wrapping itself around the prey and squeezing it. Green anaconda hunts on land and in the water, but prefers water where it can move with ease. It can stay under the water for 10 minutes before it comes to the surface to breathe. Another green anaconda. Coral snakes, they have a pair of small hollow fangs to deliver their venom. Ball python. The ball python is aptly named. It curls into a ball when frightened. The now extinct Boa were 12.8 meters in length, which is 42 feet. By comparison, the largest living snakes are the reticulated pythons, which measure about 7 meters or nearly 23 feet long, and the green anaconda, which measures 5.2 meters or 17 feet long and is considered the heaviest snake on earth at 97.5 kilos or 215 pounds. The smallest living snakes are 10 centimeters long or 4 inches. Most snakes are fairly small animals, about 1 meter or 3.3 feet in length. Cobra. All of the known cobras are venomous, and many are capable of rearing upwards and producing a hood when threatened. The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake. Adult king cobras are 3 meters to 4 meters in length. The Copperhead Snake is a species of venomous snake endemic to eastern North America. Like all pit vipers, it is generally an ambush predator. The red-bellied black snake. If you look closely underneath, you'll see it has a red belly. Black-headed python. These are native to Australia. These snakes are terrestrial and are often found in amongst rocks and loose debris. Snakes use smell to track their prey. They smell by using their forked tongues to collect airborne particles. The fork in the tongue gives snakes a sort of directional sense of smell and taste simultaneously. They keep their tongues constantly in motion, taking small samples from the air, ground and water, looking for prey. In water-dwelling snakes such as Anaconda, the tongue functions efficiently underwater. Amazon Tree Boa. It is a non-venomous boa species found in South America. The underside of a snake's tongue is very sensitive to vibration. This allows snakes to be able to sense approaching animals by detecting faint vibrations in the ground. The Amethyst Python or amethystine python is also known as the scrub python. The cobra, when threatened, their ribs expand to make a hood. They make a loud, low hissing noise and they can spit venom up to 8 feet. The brown snake is a venomous Australian snake. I'm going to tidy the snakes up now. The skin of a snake is covered in scales. They have a smooth, dry texture. They have specialized belly scales to help them travel and grip surfaces. A snake is able to shed its skin. Tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is uploaded. Subscribe and like if you like snakes. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.